Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can backup files, data and documents to the external USB drive on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on your mobile device you need to grab yourself one of these adapters so that you can connect to your phone. So this is the USBC and USBA adapter. So we're going to connect the USB drive to the adapter, then connect the adapter to the USB port at the bottom of the phone. Next, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accounts and backup. Next, scroll down, then tap on external storage transfer. In here, tap on USB storage in the backup to section. Now we just wait for the phone to load up. And in here, tap on custom, then tap on next. After that, scroll down. And in here, select documents and files. Make sure all the other options are turned off unless you want to back them up too. So tap on the right arrow. In here, by default, it will select to backup everything. You can go into each of the folders and choose what you want to backup. So let's say I don't want to backup my camera.zip, so I can deselect that camera folder. Tap on the download folder will allow you to view all your download files. So in here I have some test documents, PDF documents, I have some games file, APK files, backup docs from secure folder, and quick share, so I can backup PDF file as well. And then tap on done, so select what you want to backup, then tap on done. Next, tap on backup button, and now wait for your phone to backup your documents and files to the USB storage. During this process, make sure that you don't remove your USB drive, as this can corrupt the backup files. And that's it. When it gets to 100%, it should show your backup result. So in here you can view the summary of your backup. So in here it tells you what has been backup, and you can view it. After that, tap on the next button, then tap on done to finish. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.